This is a butt workout. Let's get firm glutes while not increasing the size of our thighs. I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV. Click the subscribe button below and then click the notification bell. Are you ready for the butt workout? Let's get right to it.
We've got 27 exercises, 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off to rest. One exercise uses an optional band, and for 3 exercises, I use a small pillow that's optional. Coming up is the donkey kick pulse. And for this, you'll be on the mat on all 4s. Pulse your leg up 2 times, and when you bring it down, don't let your knee touch the ground, then repeat. Use your glute muscles by squeezing them each time. Now you're going to switch to the other leg and do the same. Squeeze those glutes. Now shake your wrists out during the rest. And next we're still on all 4s for bent knee and extend. You'll bend your leg at the knee to the side and then straighten your leg to the back with the foot up. Tighten your glute muscle when you extend your leg to the back. No rest this time. Repeat on the other leg. Now shake your wrists out again. For bent knee leg circles, you'll use your knee to basically draw a circle to the side. You can make the circle in any direction. I like to do 10 circles in one direction and then change the direction. Get ready to switch to the other leg and do the same bent knee leg circle. You're doing great. Next, you'll be switching to lying on your stomach. This is where I need a small pillow, and you'll see where I put it. For the glute heel tap, you're going to lift up your feet and your legs using your glutes and tap your heels together continuously. You'll take a 10-second rest break. And next up is the glute knee raise. You'll also be on your stomach. You'll put your feet together and then kick up as you raise your knees, using the glutes to do it. Get ready for a 10-second break. And then next is glute flutter legs. You'll kick your legs like you're swimming without having your feet touch the ground. Use those glutes. During this next rest, get back on all fours. You're going to do straight leg circles. Straighten one leg with your foot at about a 45-degree angle and make large circles with a straight leg. Go in one direction for about 10 circles and then change the circle direction. No break here, switch to the other leg for the straight leg circles on the other side. All right, shake out your wrists. For fire hydrant kicks, kick your leg out to the side and extend your leg at the end of the kick, and then bring it back down to all fours and repeat. No rest now, switch to the other leg. You're doing great. We're at like 44%. Shake out your wrists, give them a little break. For the angled kickback, you'll start again on all fours by touching the toe of one foot over the other foot and then kick the legs straight out at an angle. Get ready to switch to the other leg, and you're doing great. During this rest, get on your back for the glute bridge with feet on the ground and knees bent. Squeeze your glutes as you go up, as you see here, and come back down to the mat and then back up again. During this rest time, if you're using a band, put it on just above your knees. For the glute bridge abduction, when your hips are up, do about 4 abduction moves and then go back down and repeat. The band gives you some really good resistance. For the single leg lift glute bridge, you'll have one foot on the ground and the knee bent, and one foot off the ground with the knee slightly bent. Your hands are at your sides. Lift your body like a regular glute bridge, but with one foot in the air. Get ready to switch legs and do it again. For this next exercise, stand up, and what you'll do is start doing the single leg deadlift, and you might need to hold on to something stable when you're first doing this. As you get stronger, you can hold a small dumbbell in both hands. Bend from the hips with one leg in the air so that your back and leg are parallel to the floor, and then come back to a standing position. And then switch sides to the other leg. Okay, shake it out a little bit. For the kickback, hold on to something with one hand, like the wall is fine. You'll kick one leg straight back. Tighten the glute muscle when the leg is back. Don't swing your leg back and forth. When you bring the leg down, don't let it touch the floor. Now, I'm on carpet here, so my leg is touching my foot is touching the floor. But if you're on a non-carpeted surface, it'll be a lot easier to just keep your foot hovered above the floor a fraction of an inch. And then get ready to switch to the other leg. And shake it out. For the side leg raise, do the same type of leg kick, but to the side or at an angle. Remember to tighten the glutes when the leg is at the side. And switch to the other leg. out. For the Cossack squat, start with your legs apart and do a side lateral lunge to one side. Flex the foot of the straight leg when you're in the lunge position. And get ready to switch to the other side. This is the last exercise. And that's the workout. Good job, everyone. Do this exercise regimen 3 times a week to keep your glutes in top shape. Check out one of my other videos on the right side of the screen, and thanks for working out with me.